You want to buy the best consumer 360 camera, but don't know if you should wait for new models? In this Gimbal Guru video, I explain which 360 camera models are likely to be released in 2021 and what I think is the best time to buy. Overall, there are already many manufacturers on the market who offer 360 cameras. In this video, I want to talk specifically about these three manufacturers: Insta360, GoPro and DJI. First, we start with Insta360. Insta360 is, in my opinion, the current leading 360 camera manufacturer. Especially the recently launched Insta360 ONE X2 beats all other cameras in many areas. With the Insta360 ONE R, they have a second really good consumer 360 camera on the market. The big advantage of the ONE R is that it can also be used as normal action camera due to its modular system. But what about the future of Insta360? Can we expect a new 360 camera to be launched in 2021? When you look at the Insta360 homepage, you can find under milestones the different camera release dates. Insta360 released the first standalone 360 consumer camera, the ONE X, in October 2018. About 1 year later, in January 2020, they released the Insta360 ONE R. And in October 2020, 2 years after the ONE X, they released the ONE X2. I'm very sure, because of the hype this company actually has, they will release another 360 camera this year. In my opinion, the following scenarios are possible. Scenario number 1. They publish the Insta360 ONE R2, a successor model of the ONE R. When? That can only be guessed. In my opinion, this will not be before summer 2021, more likely even later. The most likely date is October 2021. That would be just in time for the Christmas shopping season and exactly 1 year after the Insta360 ONE X2. But keep in mind, these are just rumors and no one knows what will happen. Expect Insta360 itself. Here is my wish list for the Insta360 ONE R2. There are some problems with the ONE R, which I would like to see fixed by the ONE R2. The first one is the lens fogging problem. By the ONE R, it can happen that the lens fogs up. This problem no longer exists with the ONE X2, so I would also like to see this problem fixed by the Insta360 ONE R2. The second one is the stitching. The stitching is not bad, but could be better. My wish for the Insta360 ONE R2 would be that the stitching is improved. Another wish would be a better video and photo resolution. Currently, all Insta360 consumer cameras can record a resolution of 5.7K. My wish for the Insta360 ONE R2 would be an 8K resolution or more. This would be really awesome for 360 virtual reality videos. A higher bitrate would also be nice. Currently, a maximum of 100 bits per second is possible. Higher frame rates would also not be a disadvantage for better slow motion recordings. In any case, I'm curious what new features and functions the new Insta360 ONE R will have, if there will be one. Scenario number 2. Insta360 is introducing a new 360 camera model, which no one expects. This could be a pro version of a consumer 360 camera. For example, an optimized consumer camera for 360 virtual reality videos or 3D virtual room tours. This Insta360 camera could have much higher image quality and resolution than the current models. Scenario number 3. They publish the Insta360 ONE X3. That will happen one day for sure, but I don't think it will happen this year. So now we come to the leading action camera manufacturer GoPro. Without any doubt, GoPro is the action camera king of the last few years. For sure, GoPro has also recognized that the future of action camera lies in 360-degree video. Check out the links in the info box. There I explain what are the big advantages of 360 cameras over normal action cameras and why I think 360 cameras will be replace normal action cameras in the future. GoPro released their first 360 camera, the GoPro Fusion, in 2017. 2 years later, in 2019, GoPro updated their 360 camera model with the GoPro Max. So in my opinion, 2021, a new 360 GoPro model is definitely coming. As always, the last few years GoPro will most likely release the new models in autumn again this year. The new models GoPro Hero 10 and probably the GoPro Max 2 are expected to be presented there. With the GoPro Max 2, I would have the same wishes as with the Insta360 ONE R2. A higher 360 video resolution, maybe 8K or more, higher bit rates and an improved video quality. In my opinion, it is fixed GoPro will introduce a new 360 camera this year. GoPro must keep up in order not to fall behind in the 360 video and 360 camera competition. It will remain exciting and I'm already looking forward to the new GoPro cameras. The last manufacturer we are talking about today is DJI. As most of you will know, DJI is a drone manufacturer. However, DJI also entered the action camera sector with the DJI Osmo Action. Many users are already waiting for the DJI Osmo Action 2, and this is maybe the chance for DJI to enter the 360 camera market. DJI released the Osmo Action in May 2019, so it is most likely that in May 2021 DJI is introducing the Osmo Action 2. I'm sure DJI has analyzed the action camera market well and also recognized the potential in the 360 camera sector. So it is easily possible that DJI will introduce a 360-degree camera along with the Osmo Action 2. Maybe the DJI Osmo 360. I would be very happy about it. I'm sure that the DJI Osmo 360 would be a high-quality 360 camera and the competition would be positively influenced in terms of quality, price and innovation. But what is now the right decision when buying a 360 camera? Buy now or wait? Of course, this depends on when you watch the video. As I mentioned earlier, I expect DJI to reveal the new camera models in spring 2021, GoPro and Insta360 in fall 2021. But this is not a guarantee that this will really happen. This is just a guess on my part. If you want to buy a 360 camera for vacation, traveling or hiking, I would recommend you to do it now. Don't make the mistake of always waiting for something better and newer. The longer you wait, the more chances you miss to create awesome content. If you want to buy a 360 camera right now, I would recommend you the Insta360 ONE X2. I'm very convinced about the ONE X2. It delivers crisp 360-degree video footage in 5.7K. The electronic image stabilization flow state is stunning. The 360 video stitching is very good, it is also waterproofed and has many other cool functions and features. Check out the link in the video description to get your Insta360 ONE X2 now. Additionally, you will find a link in the description where you can get an Insta360 store coupon code and save up to $30. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more content about 360 camera rumors, 360 camera reviews, tutorials and much more. I see you in the next video.